the motion was being introduced in the House is that it used the wrong standing order 67. And therefore, when you cross-check that one with the County Government Act, it contradicts. Therefore, it clearly states that the County Secretary can already be dismissed. What the Assembly should do is that introduce a motion through Standing Order 69 to deliberate on the removal of any person. Any person without mentioning the name, it is not clear. In 67, 69, you can remove anybody who is an office holder. But now it came in the wrong standing order. We can only amend and tell the governor to change the county secretary. But you cannot do it through the assembly. Honorable Ajef, who was the mover of the motion, introduced that motion through the wrong standing order. And that is now a technicality. So the motion has been beaten through a technicality, and I think that technicality was schemed by the authorities to make sure that it does not go through. In actual sense, you do not require signatures to send away a county secretary. He does not meet. It is like using a hammer to kill a housefly. A county secretary cannot be impeached. Impeachment can only happen to governor and deputy governor. County secretary, as I have said, we have noted from the changed not standing order, but County Government Act is just a mere secretary.
Our friends who wanted to take Dr. Mwaura home finally came to their senses at the last minute to realize that we are only persecuting a very innocent man. We were shedding blood for things that does not meet the threshold, because there's a threshold for removing somebody. You know, when you talk about impeachment, you are talking about someone's career. You are destroying. And I think in Kenya, we have an history of those people who have been impeached. It was not fair. It was a few days ago. Everybody knew that today Mwaura was going to go home. But you yourself, as even press people and people who have seen, and even the public, you have seen that this was merely hot air. Because even before we started debating the motion, the same clique of people, the same people who are uttering a lot of fire, they were the first ones to say, no, we should not be able to go forward. But of course, since it was already the property of the assembly, we had to move on with it. You could not kill a motion that has already been brought even before it.